Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on the last point of the topic virus is useful or positive importance of viruses, that is the positive aspects, and non-useful and negative importance of viruses, that means negative aspects, that is the economic importance of the viruses. So first of all, see the useful economic importance of viruses. First important point is the production of antidotes or vaccines. So use of virus is the virus is useful for a production of a antidote or a production of a viruses. The human disease such as the mumps disease, pox disease, jaundice disease, polio disease. This disease can be controlled by introduction or penetration dead virus into human body is called as vaccine. So vaccine preparation means we have to prepare a dead or a semi-lived viruses, and these dead or semi-lived viruses they are injected to the healthy human being for appropriate amount, and this that result into production of some antibodies against the dead virus in the human body, and results that when the actual virus there come contact with that human being, that virus they will be killed by the already generated, already developed antibodies. So this is the vaccine or antidotes. The viral vaccines confers immunity against infection with the pathogenic strains of some viruses. So these dead or semi-dead viruses they enhance the immunity in the normal or healthy human being or uninfected human being. Next is the gene therapy. This virus is useful in gene therapy. It is the introduction of a functional gene into human cells in order to correct a defective gene by replacing them is known as a gene therapy. So mostly the lambda-phage, bacteriophage, lambda-phage or some other type of viruses, they are used for the correct the abnormal genes in a human cells. So this is called a gene therapy. This is actually this is a very vast concept, gene therapy, with the help of viruses. So we have to understand that virus they are used in a gene therapy. Next, cancer therapy. Virus can be used for prevent the cancer by introducing anti-cancerous vaccines. So vaccine should be produced. That vaccines is the anti-cancerous vaccine, and this vaccine they are introduced in a human being, healthy human being, so that healthy human being does not affect the cancer disease. It's the cancer therapy. So vaccines against hepatitis B virus cause liver cancers. Okay, means hepatitis B virus vaccine they are introduced in a healthy human being, they reduces the chances of a liver cancer. So it is a cancer therapy. Then bacteriophage therapy. Bacteriophage therapy means this involves use for a bacteriophage for control the pathogenic bacteria. Some pathogenic bacteria they are controlled by bacteriophage. Okay, and introduction of such such bacteriophage into infectious bacteria colony, this colony will be killed soon. Then T2 bacteriophage virus can be save human from a dysentery caused by a spoiling some harmful bacteria. So dysentery causing bacteria, harmful bacteria, they are lysed or they are lysed by some bacteriophage named as a T2 bacteriophage. Then in controlling harmful animals and insects, some harmful insects and animals can be easily controlled by using a viral strain. So some virus they are useful to kill the hazardous or non-useful insects. Okay, then virus-based diagnosis means virus used to diagnose in field of molecular biology, immunology, biotechnology, genetic engineering, microbiology, nanotechnology. So such applied in such applied branches, this virus are used for diagnosis of different types of parameters. Okay, so this is the virus. This is the useful importance of virus. So this is the polio disease. This boy is infected with the polio viruses. This is the mump. Okay, mumps disease. Then this is jaundice. Okay, jaundice and normal. Okay, so this is the viruses. Then next is the role in research. This in 21st century, virus have been extensively used for research. So in this century, this virus is used for research. Because of research, we have able to produce the vaccines against this coronavirus within 1.5 year. So because of research. Virus is used as a vector in recombination DNA technology, rDNA technology. Example, bacteriophage are commonly used in vectors in genetic engineering, and lambdaphage are also commonly used in research. So this vectors vector preparation is also performed with the help of viruses. So lambdaphage and bacteriophage viruses, they are used as used in recombinant DNA technology and genetic engineering. Viruses as a biopesticides. Okay, so in India, sugarcane shoot borer, this is the insect pest. They are controlled by spraying granulosis virus suspension. So we have to prepare a granulosis virus suspension in a sprayer bottle with the and water in the water, and spray this water with the viruses on this sugarcane infected or infected field of sugarcane, which reduces the insect pest, that is the sugarcane shoot borer. This viruses, that is the nuclear polyhedrosis viruses (NPV), is used against this Spatoptera letura, a severe pest of cotton. In this pest, this insect, they suck the cotton liquid. Okay, means this cotton, म्हणजे जो कॉटन आहे, कॉटन ज्या वेळेला यंग कंडिशनला असतोय त्यावेळेला ते कॉटनचं बोंड तयार व्हायच्या आधी त्यावेळेला आतमध्ये सगळं लिक्विड असते, सेल्युलोज लिक्विड असते. नंतर ते सेल्युलोज लिक्विड नंतर ते पूर्ण मॅच्युअर झाल्याने त्यापासून धागे तयार होतात, मग कापूस तयार होतोय. ते लिक्विडच ॲक्च्युली हा जो इन्सेक्ट पेस्ट आहे तो लिक्विडच ॲक्च्युली जाऊन सक करतोय, त्यामुळे कॉटन तयार व्हायचा संबंध नाही. प्लांटला कॉटन तयार होत नाही आणि प्लांट आपलं यील्ड आहे तो संपतोय. मग अशा प्रकारचा ज्या इन्सेक्ट्स आहेत त्या इन्सेक्टना किल करण्यासाठी काय बायोपेस्टिसाइड वापरायचे, त्यामध्ये NPV नावाचा बायोपेस्टिसाइड्स आहे. Then genetically engineered viruses. The toxin encoding gene for a scorpion was isolated by a P.V. Chaudhary and introduced into baculovirus. Such engineered baculovirus infects pests and produces scorpion poison inside, and the pest will be die very quickly. So okay, so it is genetically engineered virus. Then virus used in water pollution. So some cyanophages, means the viruses, they infect the green algae is called as that infect the blue green algae is called as cyanophages, and some phycophages have been used to control the cyanobacteria which forms the water blooms in ponds and swimming pools. तर पॉन्ड्स आणि स्विमिंग पूलमध्ये जे इन्फेक्शन होते, तर ते कशाचं इन्फेक्शन, तर ते अलगी त्या ठिकाणी वाढतात आणि त्या ठिकाणी पोल्युशन होते त्या वॉटरचं. तर त्या अशा अलगींना किल करण्यासाठी काही सायनोफाज जे आहेत ते त्या ठिकाणी वापरले जातात आणि सायनोफाज अशा अलगींना काय करतात, खाऊन टाकतात. तर अशा पद्धतीनं हे त्याचे पॉझिटिव्ह इम्पॉर्टन्स आपण बघितले. दे नाव वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन हार्मफुल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ अ फंजाई, दॅट इज निगेटिव्ह ॲस्पेक्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज द व्हायरस disease to man. The virus causes disease to man. So virus are the causative agent for a disease. So what are the disease? There are some examples. Then first virus, herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus produces disease named herpes simplex. त्याला मराठीत आपण नागिन म्हणतोय. That virus produces नागिन disease. Then dengue virus produces dengue. Then influenza virus produces disease influenza. Polio virus produces disease named as polio, and rabies virus cause the disease, cause the organism for disease rabies. Okay, so these are some viruses. virus for human being. Virus disease of agricultural crop. So much virus attacks on crop plants caused by huge loss in farmer for economic loss. So there are some examples. These examples they will be asked in your MCQ exam, MCQ questions. Banana, bunchy top of banana. Okay, crop banana. They named this is bunchy top of banana. In this disease, all the new coming leaflets or leaves of this plant they comes very close together and produces crown like structure, and that plant are very short stunty growth is there observed in plants. So this is the bunchy top of banana. Okay, bunchy top of banana disease. Named by name of virus is the Musa virus, because botanical name of this banana is the Musa paradisica. Therefore, virus name is the Musa virus, and made of transmission. That virus is transferred from infected plant to healthy plant by the insect is called as a banana aphids. Okay, banana aphid insect. It is the vectors. Then brinjal. On brinjal, the disease name is little leaf of brinjal. This leaf of the brinjal become very little because of the growth of virus in this leaf. The leaf growth will become reduced, and this that leaf is very short in size, very little in size. Therefore, the name of this is little leaf of a brinjal, caused by virus is named as vaccinum virus 1, and mode of transmission is the leaf hoppers. Next, chili. This chili is caused by disease named as the leaf curl of chili. This entire leaf of this chili they become curl. Photosynthesis rate is very zero, and the production is totally lost. So this is a leaf curl of chili caused by virus tobacco leaf curl mosaic virus, and mode of transmission is the thrips and white flies. Then on this papaya is caused by leaf curl of papaya. Okay, this disease name of virus is the tobacco leaf curl virus, and mode of transmission is the white fly. Then cucurbitas. Okay, cucurbitas name of disease is the yellow vein mosaic of this cucurbita. This mosaic fashion of leaf is observed in cucurbita, caused by virus cucumis virus number 1 and transmitted by white fly. So these are some disease on agricultural crop caused by viruses. Then virus attack on a blue green algae. This virus infects in blue green algae such as Anisakis nodulis, Nostoc muscarum, and Synecoccum Coccus citrinum. So these algae is infected by virus. Virus. This is the negative aspects of virus. Virus attack on other algae. Few virus attacks on green algae, brown algae, red algae is called as algal viruses, phycoviruses. In Cara australiensis virus on Cara cause disease. So these are some seaweeds. They are used for used in food preparation and other important preparation. This algae is infected by some viruses. Therefore, there is a huge loss in this seafood. Then virus disease on fungi. Some virus attacks on fungi called as mycophage. Even some edible mushroom are attacked by virus caused by that causes damage. So mushroom they are also damaged by viruses. So these are some harmful or negative aspects of viruses. With this this topic virus is completed or end here. Okay.